I think it's clear that the use of cell phones at school should be prohibited. Many students are more busy playing with their cell phones than paying attention to their lesson. This describes that focus and ultimately has a negative impact on their grades.
But cell phone can also be used for useful things. We can search for additional information, do assessment more quickly, and can even help with learning in class.
If you want to find additional information, why not use a book or ask the teacher directly? With cell phone, students are lazy on the internet, which doesn't necessarily have a right source.
But nowadays, technology has become part of your life. In fact, school must take how to use cell phone wisely, not prohibit them. If they are prohibited, we will not be ready to take them out immediately.
The problem is most students don't use cell phone for studying, but more often for unimportant things like playing games or scrolling media social in the end. It actually makes them addicted.
That's because there are no clear rules. If the school makes a policy that cell phone can only be used during routine hours of or academic purpose, then the problem can be overcome without having to build it completely.
But who can guarantee that students won't break the rules? Teachers can always monitor them. Many students still steal time to play on their cell phones in class.
If that's the case, why not improve the monitoring system? Don't immediately blame the effort if there are students who violate it. Give them strict sentences, just like other rules at school.
Apart from interfering with concentration, cell phone also reduce social interaction. Take a look in the canteen or during break time. Many students are busy with their cell phone instead of talking directly to their friends.
On the other hand, cell phone can also help with communication. For example, to coordinate group assignment, or if there is something urgent that needs to be discussed with parents, don't just look at the negative side.
But in reality, more people use it for unimportant things. More even misuse cell phone to cheat on exam. This is considered a dishonest act.
It's not the cell phone fault, but the individual fault. If someone intended to cheat, her fault have done it without a cell phone. The problem is not the technology, but how we education started to be honest and responsible.
If school continue to allow the use of cell phones, it will provide greater opportunities for abuse. Apart from chatting, there are also cases of cyberbullying that occur among students via cell phones.
Not all students are like that. Don't just look at the bad cases. Many also use cell phone for positive things. In fact, with cell phone, we can report bullying more quickly if there is bullying at school.
Cell phone also often cause disruption in class. There was an incident when your friend's cell phone suddenly went off during class. This disturbed the teacher and other students who were focused on studying.
That can be overcome by repairing silent or daring listen. Decide if someone disturbs the class if the person who solves the reprimanded, not the cell phone that's
I still feel that there are more negative impacts. If cell phones are allowed, more and more students will become addicted and neglect their main tasks at school, normally studying.
But what about emergency? If there is something urgent, for example, we are sick or have student family matter, a cell phone can be a very important communication tool.
But at school, there are already telephones that can be used to emergencies. So, that's not a strong enough reason to let students carry cell phones.
But that's not practical. It's impossible for us to always have permission to go to office just to contact our pet. With a telephone, communication can be faster and more efficient.
In the case, it's better to leave your cell phone at home or collect it when you enter class. So student can still use it when needed, but it doesn't disrupt lesson.
That's not fair. Cell phones are a personal right and schools shouldn't regulate them to that extent. The important thing is that there are clear boundaries and rules.
I still think that cell phones should be banned in schools. There are too many negative impacts, ranging from impaired concentration, misuse for chatting, cyberbullying, to create social interaction.
I don't agree with a total ban. Cell phones have many benefits in education and communication. What needs to be done in the in not to ban them, but to regular there there are so that there remain production and do not interface with learning.
Students above cell phone more often than using them for studying. School is a place to focus on learning, not for playing with cell phone.
But times have changed. Education must also keep up the technological development. In fact, students must be taught how to use cell phone wisely, not compulsory prohibited.
We cannot control all students. If cell phones are allowed, there will definitely be those who misuse them. It is better to ban them for the common good.
A more flexible police work together. Cell phone can be used at school, but with clear rules. For example, they can only be used for assignment or emergency communication.